guys, yesterday 8 o'clock I left my house and I had a two T20 matches in Hanover from 10 to 5 o'clock. So I played two T20 matches in Hanover, and I left approx 6 o'clock from Hanover to Siegen. I reached here approx 10:30 and I was so tired I don't have the time to make a blog. And next morning, means today, I'm making this blog and continuing this blog. As I told you, I book a Airbnb for my stay from Monday to Friday, and today is my first day of my new office. And one of the colleague, he will come to me and he will give me all the devices which I required for my work, because it's the COVID-19 and 2 weeks we cannot go to the office because of Corona and a lot of pandemic in South Germany we have. So I will take you the tour of my Airbnb where I booked in Germany, and which cost a lot of money. So they gave me this parking area for my car. This apartment I booked for Monday to Friday, and it's I paid a lot for this, and because I don't had any opportunity and I don't had any options to do that. And this is my first job in this area, South Germany, and second job in my life which I got, and I'm well prepared for that. And I will tell you, if you are changing a job, if you are changing a city, what and all you have to do, and what is the process, what will be the apartment cost, what will be the living cost of the new city, and how much you have to pay if you are bachelor. I'm right now bachelor. I don't have I don't have family here at all. So I will tell you what will be the tax classes here you have to pay as a bachelor. Apart of that, what we will have as savings and everything. Just now one of my colleague from my new office, he came here and he just hand over all the devices, all the hardware which do I require for my work to start here in this corona pandemic, because I cannot go to the office and collect and join there. So I'll show you what I got here right now. I got two monitors, I got a keyboard, I got wires, and I got a hardware CPU, and I'm going to install this everything, and I'm going to look how things works now. So after that I will update you guys how I did my first day in office without going office. So it's a bit exciting for me, and it's a bit challenging also for me, because I have to do everything from starting from scratch, and I didn't know what the company are doing everything. So yeah, let's do. Just now I finished my office, and it was a bit hectic day for me because it's a new and first day in the office, and I had a lot of meetings and a lot of introduction rounds.
In 400 meters, turn left.
I had a lot of introduction round, and they told me like what I have done and all the requirements from me, and they gave me the task which I have to do. And yeah, it was a bit challenging, and it's a very good and working environment here. Now I'm feeling very hungry, and now I'm going to eat in Indian restaurant Swagat. So do like, share, subscribe this vlog, so that it will motivate me to make more vlogs on that. Because you are lovely guys, and I love to help you guys, because if I help you and in any perspective, in a technical way or any other way, then it's making me feel more happy.